In this video, we will understand photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon where light radiation falls on a metal surface, causing the emission of electrons from that metal surface. This phenomenon was discovered by German physicist Heinrich Hertz in 1887. While conducting experiments related to electromagnetic waves, Heinrich Hertz found that whenever ultraviolet light falls on two metal electrodes and voltage is applied to both electrodes, sparking occurs. Continuing to study this phenomenon, in 1902, German physicist Philipp Lenard explained this observation. He found that when light falls on a metal surface, charged particles are liberated from the metal surface. Before this experimental study, light was considered to have wave nature. However, after the discovery of the photoelectric effect, it was found that light also has particle nature. Due to this discovery, classical physics could not explain this phenomenon. In 1905, Albert Einstein discovered the corpuscular theory, in which he explained that light has both wave nature and particle nature, and the particles in light are called photons. Using the corpuscular theory, Albert Einstein conducted experimental studies on the photoelectric effect and explained it, for which he also received the Nobel Prize. Now, let's understand this phenomenon in detail. In the animation, we see an evacuated glass tube. At one end of this tube, there is a photosensitive plate, and at the other end, there is a metal plate. A transparent window is placed on top of the glass tube. This transparent window filters the light, allowing only a particular wavelength of light to pass through. The metal plate and the photosensitive plate are connected to a voltage source, where the metal plate is connected to the positive terminal and the photosensitive plate is connected to the negative terminal. Desired output voltage can be taken from this voltage source. Next, we emit light radiation from a monochromatic light source. This light radiation falls on the photosensitive plate after filtering through the transparent window. As soon as the radiation falls on the photosensitive plate, electrons start to be emitted from the plate. These electrons accelerate towards the metal plate and start flowing in the outer circuit. As a result, current flows in the circuit, which we call photoelectric current. This current can be measured using a microammeter. In this experimental study, it was found that the variation of photoelectric current depends on certain factors. These factors are intensity of the incident radiation, potential on the metal plate, frequency of the radiation. Now, let's understand how these factors affect the photoelectric effect. Effect of intensity of the incident radiation. In this experiment, it was found that the photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of radiation. This means that the more the intensity of radiation, the more photoelectric current will be generated. Effect of potential on the metal plate. In this experiment, it was found that the photoelectric current increases gradually with the potential or voltage. However, after reaching a certain value of voltage, there is no increase in the photoelectric current. This maximum current value is called saturation current. If we reverse the direction of the voltage, we observe that the photoelectric current starts to decrease. And if the reverse voltage keeps increasing continuously, then at a particular value, the photoelectric current becomes zero. The value of this negative voltage is called stopping potential. Effect of frequency of radiation. In this experiment, it was found that when the same intensity of radiation is applied with different frequencies, the values of the photoelectric current and the stopping potential are different. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.